And good afternoon. Thank you for staying with News Desk. And now to Matters Business. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Now, Kenya and China have pledged to deepen cooperation in the film industry through the adoption of artificial intelligence and other emerging technologies. Speaking in Nairobi, Chinese ambassador to Kenya, Guo Haiyan, said China is ready to support Kenya in embracing AI and modern technology. The partnership aims to promote innovation, strengthen cultural exchange, creating more opportunities for filmmakers from both countries.
It's developing very fast, and there's challenges with the use of AI, the application of AI in the production of movies. I think that's really challenging for producers from China and from Kenya to have more exchanges, to respond.
Kenya and China have a very long-standing relationship, and in film or storytelling, it gives us an opportunity to be able to cement more Kenyan Chinese stories. It gives us an opportunity to market our locations and the country. More than that, it gives us an avenue to be able to create an understanding between Kenya and China.
Now, artificial intelligence is increasingly reshaping Kenya's publishing and